guys, welcome back. It's Shelby, and today mainly I just want to say thank you so much. I have hit 1,000 subscribers. That's all of you guys on my channel. I can't even believe it. Like, this is crazy. This is so cool. I've been watching the subscriber count kind of tick up these last few days, and it's going insanely fast, like insanely fast. So I guess background, if you've been here from the start, you know this, but I started my channel in March of 2018, so it's been about a year and a half, and it was a very small channel. It's still a small channel, but a very small channel at first. You know, friends and family, and a couple weeks in between one subscriber, and you know, I mean, I kept doing it because I love making crafts and this is fun and it's a cool challenge, so I just thought I'd keep doing it. But then, you know, it was like 2 or 3 subscribers, and then it was like, you know, 1 per week, pretty steady, and then there was like, I remember the first time I got like 6 subscribers in a week, and I just freaked out, and that wasn't even that long ago. That was like earlier this year. But the really cool part that's just like blowing my mind is, so I'm at 1,000 subscribers, you guys, and 500 of you guys have joined my channel in the last month. So that's insane and gives you kind of an idea of my progression in the channel. But I'm so excited for this. I can't even tell you how much your guys' support means, and I love hearing from you in the comments. You guys have been just absolutely amazing, so supportive, and I love reading your comments, and I'm getting more of them, and so I can interact with you guys more, and that's just so cool. Let's see, things that I've learned. You guys like ball gowns. That is by far my most watched video. Like, some of my videos have like 12 views, and I'm like 7 of them just like viewing it to check on them. And then like that one has like 25,000. So it's amazing, and I never thought I would have a video that had that many views on it. So it's really cool. It was one that I really enjoyed making, and I'm glad you guys like it. And a lot of you have left messages for me that said that you thought it was helpful, that you were making it for a specific event, and I could not be happier about that. I'm so excited that I made something and could share something with you that you guys found helpful. So thank you so much for your support. I didn't want this to be like a super long crazy video, but I did want to say thank you so much. I'm so excited to have 1,000 new friends, so thank you guys so much, and I'll see you here again soon. Bye for now.